Assignment 1, Constructing Phylogenetic Tree using Mega 12. Okay, this is our group members. Before we start, we will present to you about phylogenetic trees, show the evolutionary relationship between organisms based on DNA or protein sequence. Mega 12 is a software used to align sequence and build these trees using methods like neighbor joining or maximum likelihood. It's help users understand how species are related and support research in genetic and evolutionary biology. Next, we will move to the next slide, which is we show you step by step how to align sequence. In sequence alignment, and click on DNA. Select sequence 1 and proceed by click on delete. Then, insert sequence from file and click to open the dataset 1 and MegaX. Next, align the sequence using cluster W and confirm the choices and start the alignment process. After we align the data, verify the normal sequence left to delete before we proceed. Finally, save the aligned data by navigate data and then save the file. Then save the data as the dataset alignment 1 2004.sms and complete process by click save. Next, we will move to the step 2. Click the model. Select Find DNA model to determine optimal DNA substitute model. Then, choose Analyze Preference Require. Then, click OK to initiate analysis process. Then, monitor it to make sure the process successful. We move to the step 3. Start by analyze all the model and ready to proceed the best model. The top selected model will list it as optimal choices, and then you can click on the icon phenologeny and click construct or test maximum likelihood tree. Then select yes. Click model and method box and then choose the best model identifier like Tamora parameter. Then confirm and select OK. Then review the selected figure display, the phylogenetic tree that construct based on aligned sequence. Explaining the relation between taxa. SP25, SP215, SP26, SP214, and SP217. These groups are closely together, and these taxa likely to share a common ancestor and more genetically similar with each other. For SP27, SP213, and SP22, these taxa are form a subclade with a different common ancestor than clade 1. Besides for SP28, SP212, these taxa are more related with each other, and they are show separation with others and indicate moderate evidence. Next, for SP23, these taxa closely related to a well-supported subclade of SP29, SP218, and SP219. These three taxa are very close genetically and having a possibly variants of the same species or population. And lastly, for SP211 and SP220, these taxa form a differently from the other taxa and they are indicate genetically distinct taxon in the tree. 1.2 Which taxa indicate the most genetic change? It stores genetic information necessary for organisms to develop, survive, and reproduce. Next is damage to DNA may cause cells to stop dividing, cell death, or become a malignant. 1.3. Which taxa are closely related? Based on phylogenetic tree, the most closely related taxa according to the shortest branch and nearest pairing are sp25 and sp215, sp26 and sp214, sp29, sp218. These taxa are most closely related are those that branch off from the same recent node and share a common ancestor, not a share with the other taxa. They are often offered to as a sister taxa.
1.4 Which taxa is the argot and why? In our tree, sp2 is the most basal taxon, meaning it branches off early than all the others. All other taxa, for example sp2, 3, sp2 and 19, also sp2 and above, are most closely related to each another than they are to sp2. And then this makes sp2 the logical output, and it helps to infer the direction of evolution among the remaining taxa. That's all from our group. Thank you for watching.